Hello guys, welcome to Servlet tutorial. Now we shall see one of the important interview question, that is why web application are stateless web application by default. Why? My question is why web applications are stateless web application by default. So first of all, before coming to this session, you should know what is stateless. You should know what is stateless. Okay, what is stateless? So please, I request to go to previous tutorial. What is stateless? Okay, what is stateless? Okay, you will come to know. So stateless, you can understand this here. So let me have this point again. Let me give this to you, so you will have clear idea. So what is the meaning of stateless? So during a session, if your application is not capable of remembering client data across multiple requests, then it is called as stateless behavior of web application. So the answer is why web applications are stateless web application by default. So the answer is web applications are stateless by default because the protocol HTTP is given as a stateless protocol. The protocol HTTP is given as a stateless protocol. Again, the question may raise in your mind, why HTTP protocol is given as a stateless protocol? Why the protocol? Again, the question in your mind. Again, the question might have generated in your mind, might have raised in your mind, that is why protocol HTTP is given as stateless. Okay, this question will cover just soon. We'll cover that again, but first let me finish. Web applications are stateless by default because of protocol HTTP is given as stateless. So according to this stateless protocol, for every new request to web application of a server from browser window, or you can call a client, one new connection will be created between browser window and web server, between browser window and server, or you can call web server or application server, and that connection will be closed automatically. Once the request related response goes or sent back to browser window from web application. So according to this stateless protocol, every request, whatever the request has been made by the browser, whatever the request has been made to server from browser window, one new connection will be created between browser window and server, or client window and the server to the web application, and that connection will be closed automatically once response goes back or sent back to browser window from web application. So due to this, one connection related request data is not visible and accessible while processing another connection related request given by the browser window or client window. So this whole above discussions denotes that web server always treats browser window as a new client for each request, even though same browser window is giving multiple requests to same server web application. So let me proceed for the question. Again, the question might have raised in your mind, that is why protocol HTTP is given as stateless. Now you might have understood about why web applications are stateless web applications by default, because they have made protocol HTTP as a community of web, they have made HTTP as a protocol, as a stateless protocol. So definitely web application is stateless. Now the question is again, why protocol HTTP is stateless, given as a stateless? Why not stateful? Okay, now we shall see about this next question.